2015 Dodge Dart. With less than 65,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as brake assist, front bucket seats, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, brake actuated limited slip differential, variable speed intermittent wipers, ABS, front side airbag, rear side airbag, front side head airbag. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.